Today we have Seema Rekha. Welcome to BW Business Was Man. And what were your major takeaways from today's panel discussion?
So today's panel discussion specifically on executive education for the current workforce has been very enlightening, and specifically the collaboration part of between corporate and education institute is all the more important because first it helps organization to prepare their talent, and in a win-win situation it also gives a roadmap to employ to navigate their careers. So these kind of collaboration are very much on time, very much able to handle the real time problems, and employees become equipped to deal with this, VUCA world and the Bani world where we are moving now. So we are making future ready employee and talent for us. So that's very, very important.
So, as a HR leader, how are you addressing the growing importance of mental health and well-being initiatives at your workplace?
I, being a consulting organization, specifically in a wellness space, I understood this importance of mental well-being long back once I thought I myself was going through little more challenge and was not able to navigate my own emotions. Now the time is that more we are talking about, more we are building awareness about mental well-being, but it is more important to provide customized solution. As we are working in organization which has three different generation to address, and there are Gen Zs and there are so-called blue boomers which we are coming in, our needs are very different. Each set of employee has a very different need, and similarly in each set people have a very diverse need, and at that moment customizing their personal need in terms of wellness, specifically in mental wellness, is much required. For one set of employees, the physical wellness might be adding to their mental wellness. For example, running in a marathon might be giving them more kick than sitting in a one-on-one setup. And there will be people who need intellectual need and who they would like to be engaged with a coach and counselor, would might add more help to them. So that's where, as an organization, as an HR leader, we need to create a set of solutions for our people so that they can choose and navigate easily, because each employee has a different learning style, and once we are able to cater that, understand that learning style and design the mental health solution according to that, there's nothing like that.
Thank you, ma'am. I think it's fine.
Thank you so
This answer.